Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. If you're here for these types of videos about IT Cosmetics, I try to do them as frequently as I can. This is about the Today Special Value for January 13th, 2018, and I'm super excited to get into what's inside, so let's kind of get into that. Again, as I mentioned in a lot of these videos, a lot of the stuff about these Today Special Values are kept secret, so when I'm filming this video, I know absolutely nothing besides what's in here. So if I find out anything about pricing or anything like that, I will leave it in the description box below. If you guys know anything about pricing or anything else that I don't mention in this video, leave it in the comments below so that people can check that out, because they keep things secret from me just like they keep it secret from you because they don't want anyone to know. So I'll tell you what I do know, what I can share. This is the pamphlet that comes in there. I hope my lights aren't too bright. New year, new confidence in your skin. And it has some products that I love and I'm excited to see back. So yeah, I'm really excited to get into this. Oh, I think there is a new product actually. So the first thing we have here is Confidence in a Cleanser. I actually have this, but I have not got around to using it yet because I'm trying to go through what I do have. So this is going to be staying in my collection, but I do love their skincare line. It's amazing. I have been trying out some of it and I do love what I've tried, so I don't think this will be any different. Actually, I may go ahead and open this and do like a review on Instagram if you guys are interested in that. Let me know in the comments below. The next thing is something that I love very much and I don't have anymore because I used it all the way up, and it is Confidence in a Compact Foundation. This is a solid serum foundation that I've done a review on. This stuff, guys, I love it. It's closed right now and I'm not going to open it because I'm almost done with my CC Cream foundation, so I'm going to use this bad boy next because like I said, I love this. I will leave my video review for it down below so you guys can see what I think of it and how it performs, but I do think this is an amazing foundation and I really liked it. The next thing in here is another one of my favorite products from them. I use this every single day. This is a Confidence in a Cream foundation. I think this is great for an everyday foundation. It's very lightweight, but does a really good job at moisturizing. Personally, what I like to use it for is I use it when I put on my makeup. So before I put on my makeup, I apply this, let it sit in, and then apply my makeup. I love doing that, but it also could work very well as a night moisturizer. I just prefer a thicker moisturizer in the evening so that it can really soak into my skin, but I do love this. I use it every single day, so I'm excited that that's back. This is something that I think is new. If it's not new to them, it's new to me. This is Confidence in an Eye Cream, and I'm so excited. They gave me so many Confidence in a Cream samplers. I really want y'all to try that, so I'll be throwing those in like giveaways and packages that I send out. Aw, this is so cute. It's so little. I have been using their eye cream already and I really like that, so when that goes up I will be using this. I really love their other eye cream, so I can guarantee that I'm probably gonna like this, and the jar is just so cute. It's so little. And the last thing is a brush that I'm fairly certain that I have. I will double check in my collection, and if I do, I will be adding this to giveaway for you guys. This is the Heavenly Skin Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush number 704, and this goes perfectly with the Confidence in a Compact Foundation. They're very well together. If you guys haven't tried IT Cosmetics brushes, I know that I've said this 1,000 times before, but you need to. So I do think that I have this, and I will be throwing it in a giveaway so that someone can try it out. So if you guys want to win that, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and keep an eye out for when I do a giveaway. So that is everything in this Today Special Value for January 13th with IT Cosmetics and QVC. I know that a lot of you guys absolutely go crazy for these, and it's always a really good deal. So when I find out the price and more information, I will leave it in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!